I stood there way too long, reading every label twice. Dark or milk, left or right, nothing felt just right. Funny how I tried so hard to pick the sweetest thing, when the answer crossed my mind without packaging. You're sweeter than the chocolate I bought.